Hi, I'm Dr. Charlene. I'm an aesthetic doctor at SL Aesthetic Clinic based in Singapore. Today, we're going to talk about the 6D Laser Pro, a procedure that uses two different wavelengths of lasers to target all layers in your skin for skin tightening and anti-aging effects. Some people call the 6D Laser Pro a non-surgical facelift. Let's find out why. She's a very lovely young lady. Her skin quality is actually quite good already, but I think she has early signs of aging, which is manifested in her laugh line here, and then a little bit of mild sagginess over here. I think she will benefit from some lifting treatments to start to stimulate some collagen. So as we know, we start to lose our collagen at around 25 and above. So I think it's good to start earlier as a preventative measure to help stimulate some collagen and maintain the collagen at an earlier stage, so we don't have to do too much things when she reaches an older age. So when you're 25, you can do like maybe more superficial things like facials or this, but none of the treatments that we apply topically or the facials can target so deep. So lasers is one of the ways where we can target deeper to stimulate collagen. So even at the younger age, 25 and above, early 30s, we can start to do some preventative treatments. And also we can start with something that's mild and less invasive instead of going through surgical or injectables at an early age. So I think it's definitely okay to start to do at an early age. This is called 6D Laser Pro Laser. It's because obviously there are 6 different steps. So each of the different steps will target different layers of the skin. As we know, aging is from many different layers. It's a multi-layer process. So when we have 6 different steps which target different layers of the skin, you can achieve a better lifting effect. So how is this different from 4D, 5D and 6D? It's very simply the number of steps. So when we have 6 different steps, it will target more layers and more areas of the skin. So for example, this step that I'm doing now is an additional intraoral step that we do to help to preheat the oral mucosa, so there's better intraoral mucosa tightening. So there will be a better lifting, especially at the mid-face and at the nasolabial fold. Okay, this step is called Frag 3. It uses an Nd:YAG laser which creates a 3D fractionated beam, so there's deeper penetration onto the skin. So when there's deeper penetration onto the skin, it gives you deep skin rejuvenation, which in turns help to reduce fine lines and gives you a tightening effect also. So this one is my favorite step. Okay, this is a step that we call piano. As you can see, we are using a Zimmer machine to blow on the skin surface. So the Zimmer helps to cool down the skin surface so we don't overheat and burn the skin. Whereas the laser, as you can see, is like quite a big spot size, big handpiece that helps to heat up the skin in general. So this heat will actually penetrate deeper into the skin to create more collagen by bulk heating at a deeper layer of the skin. So this helps with further lifting and deeper collagen stimulation in our treatment. And as you can see, I have a thermometer here that shows green and yellow color. When it's at yellow, it reaches our target temperature, which is a safe temperature. And when it reaches red, we'll move to another place so we don't overheat the skin. This other step is the second intraoral step that we call SmoothLiftin. So it basically uses an erbium-based energy laser to help create heat inside the mucosa. So this step is particularly useful for mid-cheek lifting, the laugh line. So imagine because it doesn't target so deep into the skin from the surface, it's basically creating a sandwich effect where we have laser energy from the top and also laser energy from inside the mucosa to give you like a lifting from both angles. Step 5 of the treatment. This step is actually a proprietary step that is developed by SL Aesthetic Clinic. It will actually help to stimulate the corners of the skin and even behind the ears to give you further tightening effect. So it further extends the treatment area so you get even better effect. So the effect of this is that you get a bit of an eyebrow lift and then tightening of the jaw lines. And if you do the neck of this treatment as well, 6D Laser Pro, we even sit you up to do the back of your neck as well. So we call it all around tightening. So we have reached the last step of the treatment, which is called superficial. So as the name suggests, it's a step that helps to treat the superficial layer of the skin. It helps to create a fractionated energy on the surface of the skin, which helps to exfoliate the skin, so removing the dead skin. So this step will actually give Anna a very nice glow to the skin surface and also helps to tighten the superficial layer of the skin. So if you have open pores, you will benefit from this as well. As we get older, it's normal for our skin to sag, especially in areas such as the face, neck, and arms. And while some people turn to surgery or creams to combat these signs of aging, the 6D Laser Pro is a non-invasive and convenient alternative. In most cases, any swelling experienced after the treatment will go down within just a few hours. Results are also almost immediate, as many patients notice a visible tightening of their skin shortly after their session. All in all, the 6D Laser Pro treatment is a quick and painless alternative for those wishing to correct signs of aging without going for a surgical facelift. However, before you come to any conclusions, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional. So, if you have any questions regarding the 6D Laser Pro or need additional help or advice, feel free to get in touch with our team of doctors through our website or by reaching out to us on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Charlene and I look forward to connecting with you soon.